Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here today outside of Emory, Texas to bring you a second video look at the Rockin H Barndo. This is a 2,700 square foot, two-story Barndo. We've got 2,400 square foot on the first floor, 300 square foot on the second floor. We have 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths in this layout. We are through with the sheetrock tape and texture, and a lot of the trim work has been completed. So we're gonna take you inside today and show you what's been done as far as the trim work. We've got a lot of spruce trim in here. We've got some truss style beams, some tongue and groove that's going in, and we're getting prepped for some stacked stone to go on the fireplace and a couple of other areas. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you in the question and comment area below. If you'd like to check us out on social media, we do have TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can search 1845 Barndominiums. And then of course our website. If you're interested in looking at this floor plan or any other floor plan that we have to offer that we've showcased here on YouTube or anywhere else, you can get those at www.1845barndominiums.com. You can check out those floor plans, purchase those as is, or we can modify those for you if we need to. But we would love to show you how to get the process started for floor plans, a full build, shell, whatever your project entails. We'd love to help you with that. We're going to head inside now and get our second look at the Rockin H Barndo in Emory, Texas. All right guys, so as we're walking in the front door here, we're going to walk into our living area. And like we said a little bit earlier, we've got some stonework that is yet to be started. We should be starting that next week. But you can see just above me, we've got the loft area flooring up there. And as you walk into this living room, you've got this grand entrance into the fireplace area here. This will be the living area. We've got a couple of floor plugs that you can't really see here. But we've got some custom windows up high to let some natural light in. This is all going to be stacked stone when we're finished. So we'll have stacked stone all the way up and down here. You can see the frame out for the TV. That TV will actually be inset in the stone. So we've got that framed out, ready to go. And then we're gonna have some matching stone in the master bathroom as well. I'm gonna pan around and kind of give you a view. There's our master suite over there. And then we're gonna have bedroom 2 in the front. We've got an extension of the living area there by the front door. Our stairway up to the loft area. And then we've got our hallway over here that goes to our laundry room, exit out to the side porch and the shop, and there's another bedroom, bathroom back there. And then our kitchen area here. So I'm gonna start walking around the kitchen area. And you can see we've got our cabinets installed. We're ready to paint those. Should be coming up pretty quick. We've got an island right in the middle situated here. And then we've got a booth type seating set up right here that we've got custom built into the corner. And then we've got a cutout here for our refrigerator. We do have corner pantry framed up in here with some shelving. I don't think we're gonna have any countertop area there. That's gonna be shelving there. We've got double window there over our kitchen looking out onto the patio. And then we've got another smaller window here just looking out into the back. And they have a beautiful view off the back of this property. We'll have our oven range combo with vent hood there. Some more cabinetry, and then another window looking out over the back of the property. So if you're standing in the kitchen, you've got a great view of the fireplace, TV, and the living area. I'm gonna take you over and show you the master suite. So directly across from the kitchen will be our master suite. Now, one thing I wanna key, before I get out of here, let me show you before I leave the living room. I wanna show you some of this trim work. So if you come up, this is gonna be stacked stone here. And then we've got spruce tongue and groove on the ceiling here. And you can see we've got a truss style beam. And that's not a wrap beam. That is a solid spruce beam in our living area there. And you're gonna see a lot of spruce as we go through this layout. So if we go over to the master suite, we've got a cased opening there to lead us in. And then we've got a safe room built in here. So we have an actual gun safe built into the floor plan. You can see that spruce trimmed around there. Now all the spruce that you see is going to be stained, but it's going to be a lighter. They're going to try to make it a little bit lighter than what it is now. So they do have a built-in safe there in the master bedroom. We have our master closet here across from the safe room. We've got some built-ins there. We have a built-in vanity desk there. Got our cubbies on both sides. And I want to see if you can see this. I'm going to try to zoom in. We've talked about this in videos before, but we're actually writing on the wall what's going to go there. A lot of people ask us, you know, do we get to design that? And we tell them, yes, we're actually going to come in with you and we are going to draw on the walls exactly what's going to be in that closet. So we've got 2 operable windows in the master. Our master bedroom is 13 by 13. And you can see we've got we're going to have stain trim there on the bottom. 1 by 6 trim. And we don't have the doors trimmed out just yet. We're still trying to finish up the trim work before we paint. And as we come into the master bath, we're going to have double vanities there. You can see a linen cabinet in between the 2 vanities. Now this is, you can see more spruce here. This is a really cool setup. So we've got spruce in the opening there. And then we're actually going to have glass here, and we're going to have stone to match the fireplace on the front of that. Let me back out and give you a better look. So you're going to have your entryway into the shower. This front wall is going to be stone right here, and that will match what's in the living room and the fireplace. So if we head out of the master, I'm going to take you down the layout a little bit to the front. We're going to go into bedroom number 2. Show you what we've got going on here. So we have a full bath right outside here. We've got our workers. They're getting ready to do some tile work in here. So we've got a cultured marble tub there. And then we're going to have a surround for that tub. So full bathroom outside of room number 2, or bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is about 11 by 13. You can see we've got our closet space there with a good built-in there, built-in cubbies there. And as we pan around, we've got 1 twin window here. A lot of natural light coming in this room. And then we've also got our mechanical room on this side right here. So just outside here across from the bathroom, we've got our mechanical room ready for installation there. As we walk out, you can see our staircase leading up to the loft area, and we've got a little extra storage room there underneath the staircase. So if we head over to the other side of the layout, we've got a half bath right here in the hallway, just outside the laundry room. We've got another half bath that's going to be right here for guests to be able to access. So we'll have sink and toilet there. And then we have our laundry room here with additional cabinetry. We've got some good amount of storage in here. So we've got uppers and lowers, and we'll have a countertop here. We've got our washer and dryer set up over there. And then we are going to have a full tile shower here in the laundry room. So we can step in from outside, rinse off if we need to. So we'll have a shower area there. And then just off the laundry is bedroom number 3, which is 13 by 13. We've got a twin window in here as well. Same trim options here. We're going to have our trim baseboards here are going to be stained. And then we've got a full bathroom inside this bedroom built in here. So included in that area, we've got tile shower here. And so we've got pebble floor already done, but we haven't finished the tile up yet. We've got our closet in here. It's kind of dark. Try to show you as much as we can. We've got some hanging rods in there and some cubbies built in there. And then we'll have a single sink vanity here with some cabinetry over the toilet. So now we're going to head out back to the center portion of the layout, and we're going to go up to the loft area. So if we head up our staircase here, try to be as steady as we can. We've got a window right here to let some more light in upstairs. And then you can see our view from up here. We've got those custom windows beside the fireplace. You can really see those truss style beam that we have across there. Again, solid wood beam, spruce. The tongue and groove on the ceiling there is also spruce. This is going to be an awesome view once we get everything trimmed out, once we get that stone on there. And then we also have attic access from up here, and we'll have a half bath included. And we've got some built-ins here for office space in the loft area. All right. So as we head back down, that's pretty much the entire layout there. Like we said, we've got trim work going on right now. We're getting just about ready to paint. Got our cabinetry installed. Tile guys are working right now. So we're moving right along with this build. This one is going to be really beautiful when we're done. We will do a completed tour of the Rockin H Barndo when they're ready to move in, and I think you guys are going to love it. So we're going to head out and get out of these guys' way and let them get back to work. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of the Rockin H Barndo in Emory, Texas. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour for this week on the Barndo channel. Again, we're outside of Emory, Texas, showing you the Rockin H Barndo. 2,700 square foot of house. We've got about 1,200 square foot of porches and then a 40 by 30 garage or shop that's attached there with a porch. It's going to be a really beautiful build when it comes together. We will not show this build again until it is a completed tour. So we've still got some stack stone, we've got a paint, we've got a lot of things to show you on the completed tour, so stay tuned. You'll want to see this one when it's done. If you're interested in this floor plan or any of the others that we have to offer, you can check out our website, 1845barndominiums.com. We do have floor plans for sale as is, and we can customize those to suit your needs and meet your project needs. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, we'd love to have you do that. You can click the subscribe button that you see there. You can also leave us questions and comments. If there's something you'd like to see in a video in the future, we would love to talk to you about that and possibly get that going in our YouTube series. You can check out our social media pages, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And if you or anybody else you know would like to get the process started of making your dream home just like this one a reality, we would love to talk to you about that. You can go to our website, submit some information, and our sales team would love to get in touch with you and talk about how to get the process started. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour this week. We'll see you again next time on the Barndo channel.